Hello everyone, let us discuss Unit 5.3 under which the topic Role of Science Organizations or Scientific Organizations. Science is the world's most successful means of knowledge creation, that is, of understanding the relationships that govern the material world. The basic propositions of sciences are independent of culture and geography. Science communities have long worked to develop specialized languages to describe important concepts which provide a natural gateway to understanding between cultures and amongst nations. Future challenges include humanity faces a number of unprecedented challenges that are in part driven by the rapid expansion of the human population and associated resource demands. Science can suggest potential solutions to these challenges like that of COVID-19. To do science must be able to present options based on the best current knowledge to decision-making communities around the globe. A fundamental aim of scientific organizations is to create a bridge between science and decision-making communities in every country. Now, the goal of scientific organizations is to facilitate a progress in a specific area through promotion of research, training, and education. In some instances, the organization may conduct research or may solely sponsor research to be done by others. Examples of scientific organizations include International Council for Science, Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, or Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education. Objectives are to appraise the relevance of contemporary education institutions and organizations in science education, to determine the appropriateness of syllabi, textbooks, and pedagogies of science education in schools, colleges, and universities, to appraise the impact of commercialization of education on science education, to ascertain the nature of social bonds between and among students and teachers. Now, Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education. Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education is a national center of Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TIFR, Mumbai. Goal of the institution is to promote equity and excellence in science and mathematics education from primary school to undergraduate college level and encourage the growth of scientific literacy in the country. Role includes a wide spectrum of interrelated activities, which includes research and development, teacher education, students nurture programs like OLYMPIADs and NIUS. Under the first section, that is research and development, it concerns science education from primary school to undergraduate level, mathematics education and technology education at school level. Science education research is focused on alternative conception in the topics of school and college science, visual spatial reasoning and classroom interactions, socio-scientific issues and theoretical and experimental aspects. The mathematics education research group at HDSE SE focuses on the understanding and improvement of the learning and teaching of mathematics in school. To achieve this goal, they carry out research and development activities which are combined with interaction and collaboration with teachers and teaching workshops for children. Design and technology education research probes the possibility of introducing technology education within the Indian school curricula. Now, in teacher education, HBSC SE proposes to have regular workshops for teacher professional development, which is also called TPD, capacity building of school teachers, student teachers, and or teacher educators. These workshops would cater to in-service or pre-service teacher training. Groups are school teachers, student teachers, and teacher educators. Now, one of the activities that it conducts includes Olympiad. The International Olympiad movement is aimed at bringing the most gifted secondary and higher secondary students of the world together in a friendly competition of the highest level. The Olympiads provide a stimulus to begin a career in science or mathematics, to undertake a lifelong journey into the realms of exciting intellectual challenges. The Olympiads are not merely competitions, they are the meeting places of the brightest young minds of the world. The programs aim at promoting excellence in science and mathematics among free university students. NIUS is the second institute or initiative that is called National Initiative on Undergraduate Science. It promotes undergraduate research and learning. The NIUS program has been contributing towards training of students and teachers in theoretical and experimental science. Then, the next organization is UNESCO. UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Social and Cultural Organization. Since 1945, UNESCO's mission has been to contribute to the building of peace, poverty eradication, lasting development and intellectual dialogue with education as one of its principal activities to achieve its goal. Educational goals of UNESCO include supporting the achievement of education for all, providing global and regional leadership in education, building effective education system worldwide from early childhood to the adult years, and responding to contemporary global challenges to education. The 5 main functions include laboratory of ideas, standard setter, clearinghouse, capacity builder, and catalyst for international cooperation. In conclusion, the scientific organizations overall promote upliftment of the societies through education. This is accomplished by bringing up new policies, researches, and projects which aids in bringing about the desired changes. So this was all about how scientific organizations like UNESCO and HBCSE promote growth of science and the professional growth of teachers as well as the students. If you have any queries related to this topic, please feel free to type it in